Hi, I'm Jake Trent. Welcome to my course on Flowtype Fundamentals. Ever wondered what types or data types are? Or why you'd want more types in your JavaScript? Or have you ever wondered how you might increase your confidence that your growing JavaScript codebase was growing in a positive way? Flowtype is a powerful tool to be a part of your approach in doing just that, allowing you to gradually create a strong, static type system for your JavaScript projects. Let's learn Flowtype, also called Flow, together. We'll set out with a quick introduction of why types are important, then a fun project-based approach where we'll learn types as they're actually encountered in a project, not in a stodgy academic list. And we'll also experience how to add types to a pre-existing project, like the one you might have today. In the end, you'll have experienced the full lifecycle of starting, developing, and then retrofitting a project with types, and you'll be ready to start using Flow in your own project. So let's get this party started with Flowtype Fundamentals at Pluralsight.